Are you tired because of sleep apnea? I'm Addison, and here is your private affirmation session to refocus your ambition on health and vitality. These classic quotes are 18 affirmations to experience healthy routines, meal prep and exercise, stress reduction, and manifest powerful habits. Breathe deeply and stay until quote number 1. It's one of my personal favorites. Ready? Let's go. Number 18. Apply yourself. Get all the education you can, but then, by God, do something. Don't just stand there, make it happen. Lee Iacocca. 17. It was never in my dreams to make my personal life anybody else's business. Ethan Hawke. 16. Defeat the fear of death and you welcome the death of fear. G. Gordon Liddy. I probably grow half my food. It's a good way to keep perspective. Emilio Estevez. Quality is never an accident. It is always the result of intelligent effort. John Ruskin. I definitely think cheerleaders have no fear. Ashley Tisdale. I feel my family's needs are a priority. I'm not comfortable with the idea of serving the many and ignoring my family. Susan Sarandon. No passion in the world is equal to the passion to alter someone else's draft. H.G. Wells. The Lord is my light and my salvation, so why should I be afraid? Psalm 27:1. Pray as though everything depended on God. Work as though everything depended on you. St. Augustine. Like many women my age, I am 28 years old. Mary Schmee. Whatever disunites man from God, also disunites man from man. Edmund Burke. Motherhood has a very humanizing effect. Everything gets reduced to essentials. Meryl Streep. I'm for whatever gets you through the night. Frank Sinatra. If you would attain greatness, think no little thoughts. Anon. Misery acquaints a man with strange bedfellow. William Shakespeare, 1740. Opportunity doesn't knock. You knock, opportunity answers. Proverb. There are people whose watch stops at a certain hour and who remain permanently at that age. Helen Rowland. I'm just curious, do you like the law of attraction? We're giving away copies of our Dream Life Manifestation program to new followers as a thank you. If I gave you the link, would you check the program out? Be sure to check out the first link in the description. If you would tap the like button, it would make my day. Which affirmation was your favorite? I'd love to hear from you. Subscribe to this amazing playlist of my Law of Attraction secrets, and I'll see you in the next session. Have an amazing day.